Okay, so I have already started to record it. So be attentive. Okay, be attentive in class. I will later on see your video and I will give you marks. Okay, and so अब कतिको attentive छ भन्ने कुरा later on I will see this video and from there also I would give you marks. So now I'm going to share here. Okay, that's 7 number. Let's start from 7 number because 7 number is a language based question. How to solve this type of question? I will solve it. So first of all, look at here what is given. Okay, so in question number 7A, you are given here, in a survey of 600 people in a village of Dhading district, 400 people said they can speak Tamang language, 350 said Nepali language, and 200 of them said they can speak both the languages. Okay, so these things are given, and draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the above information. Firstly, we have to draw here Venn diagram. How many people cannot speak any of two languages? How many people cannot speak any of two languages means this is complement. How many people can speak Tamang language only and only Tamang? We have to write how many people can speak the Nepali language only. Okay, so this is the question, and now I'm going to remove this one and I'll do this on board. Okay, so look at here on the board. I'm going to this question, this type of question, how to solve. You should know the format. Okay, the systematic way to solve, so that you will get full marks, because you would be asked this type of question in exam. Okay, because one question of 4 marks each will be asked in exam. एउटा question आउँछ त्यो पनि 4 marks को final exam को कुरा गरेको है त. अरु exam मा त हामीलाई बढी question आउन सक्छ. So final exam मा चाहिँ हामीलाई 4 marks को एउटा question आउँछ set बाट. So let's see question number 7. Okay, 7A. Most necessary thing is, first of all, you have to suppose the sets. Okay, sets you have to suppose first. What we have to suppose here first? Sets. Okay, so what are the sets we are going to suppose here? We have to suppose here 2 sets. One is for Tamang language. Okay, another is for Nepali language. Okay, so it would be better if you suppose here, let for Tamang you can write here capital T. Okay, जहिले पनि set लाई हामीले you have to suppose. Okay, Salkit, are you there? Salkit. Okay, so look at here. Let me see where Subarna. You are not there, Subarna? Subarna, are you there? Subarna. Okay, Subarna is not there. So you have to suppose by capital letter. Okay, set like capital letter. Let's suppose garne. If you suppose here in this way, then this is wrong. Set should be always in capital letter. Set like हामीले suppose गर्दा set जहिले पनि capital letter मा हुन्छ. So suppose in capital letter. Okay. So let T means that I'm going to write here. Let T and for Nepali language, I'm going to write here N. Okay. Let T and N be the sets. I'm suppose going to sets. So we are supposing here sets. Okay. Let T and N be the sets of people. Okay, sets of people. Let T and N be the sets of people who speak T भनेको Tamang. We have to write here. T means Tamang language, or simply speak Tamang and Nepali language. Okay, Tamang and Nepali language, Tamang and Nepali language respectively. In this way, we have to write the language. This is the most necessary, important language to write in set. सुरुमै हामीले set लाई suppose गर्नै पर्छ. यसरी you have to write in language. Okay, so यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले T र N भनेर suppose गर्यौं. T and N. Let T and N be the sets of people who speak Tamang and Nepali language respectively. Okay, in this way we have to write. You know the question मा हामीलाई के भनेको छ? in a survey of 600 people in a village of Dading district, 400 people said they can speak Tamang language and 350 said Nepali language. Who speak Tamang and Nepali language respectively. Okay, now simply we can write in state notation. Now we can write in state notation. Yes, I am like total number of people that is NU. अब यो सधैँ NU हुन्छ भन्ने हुँदैन है त कहिले मोस्टली हामीलाई NU नै हुन्छ तर हामीले क्वेशन हेरेर बुझ्नु पर्ने हुन्छ कतिपय क्वेशनमा चाहिँ हामीलाई यो यस्तो पनि हुन सक्छ T युनियन N पनि हुन सक्छ दुवै टोटल हो ओके युनिभर्सल भनेको पनि टोटल हो युनियन भनेको पनि टोटल हो दुवै टोटल हो तर यहाँ हामीले NU किन लेख्यौं भन्दा यहाँ हाम्रो क्वेशनमा एउटा क्वेशनमा आस्क छ कम्प्लिमेन्ट पार्ट okay when there is existence of complement part then there is existence of universal state बुझिराख्ने यदि क्वेशनमा हामीलाई कम्प्लिमेन्ट गिभन छ भने टोटल NU हुन्छ या कम्प्लिमेन्ट आस्क छ भने पनि टोटल NU हुन्छ यदि हामीलाई क्वेशनमा कम्प्लिमेन्ट सोधेको पनि छैन गिभन पनि छैन भने एट दैट टाइम टोटल भनेको युनियन हुन्छ बी केयरफुल ओके यदि हामीलाई क्वेशनमा कम्प्लिमेन्ट सोधेको पनि छैन गिभन पनि छैन भने at that time that will be union otherwise that is universal okay in this question total number is universal so right here 600 what are you asking Agirti
if there will be complement in the question then what it will be
total okay total either number of student total number of student हुन सक्छ या total people त्यो बेलामा चाहिँ NU हुन्छ है जस्तो यो केसमा जस्तै यो केसमा टोटल पिपल भनेको अहिले NU भयो किन भन्दा यहाँ हामीलाई अहिले कम्प्लिमेन्ट आस्क छ यो क्वेशनमा चाहिँ हामीलाई कम्प्लिमेन्ट सोधेको छ है त यु क्यान सी देयर इन क्वेशन नम्बर II 7A II हाउ मेनी पिपल क्यानट स्पीक एनी अफ टु ल्याङ्ग्वेजेस भनेको छ नि क्यानट भनेको चाहिँ कम्प्लिमेन्ट हो कम्प्लिमेन्ट सोधेको बेलामा टोटल पिपल भनेको टोटल नम्बर अफ पिपल भनेको चाहिँ NU हुन्छ यदि कम्प्लिमेन्ट नभएको भए चाहिँ कम्प्लिमेन्ट नभएको भए टोटल नम्बर अफ पिपल भनेर हामीले के लेख्नु पर्छ त N अफ T युनियन N भनेर लेख्नु पर्छ है त यति डिफरेन्ट छ डिफरेन्ट कुरा यो कम्प्लिमेन्ट भयो भने NU कम्प्लिमेन्ट भएन भने युनियन ओके दिस थिङ यु हैव टु रिमेम्बर so यो क्वेशनमा कम्प्लिमेन्ट छ that's why we have to write here total number of people means NU किन भन्दा यहाँ सर्वे गरिएको नम्बर अफ पिपल 600 छ that is NU okay so what are the things are given 400 people said they can speak Tamang language means N of T or NT N of T is 400 N of T is 400 NU equals to 600 N of T is 400 and then 350 said Nepali language 350 said N of N equals to 350 okay and 200 of them said they can speak both the languages means T intersection N okay T intersection N means that is 200 T intersection N means that is 200 किन भन्दा both the languages they can speak both the languages अब हामीले यसमा कम्प्लिमेन्ट गिभन छैन so you can suppose here कम्प्लिमेन्ट लाई अहिले नै हामीले N of T union N complement suppose गर्दा हुन्छ this equals to X okay you can just suppose here X because यो हामीलाई सोधेको छ II मा okay you are asked this in question number II 7A II okay you are asked there so in first question draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the above information in the first question what you are asked that we are going to do here है अब हामीलाई सुरुमै यसलाई भेन डायग्राम मा illustrate गर्नु भनेको छ भने let's do in Venn diagram okay so now showing above information in a Venn diagram very simple language you can write here now showing above information in a Venn diagram okay now we can show it in Venn diagram now showing above information in a Venn diagram okay now in Venn diagram you can draw your two overlapping sets what we can draw here? 2 overlapping sets, because there is intersection part also. So just make here 2 overlapping sets in this way. One, you can give the name. Set suppose this is capital T. Okay, one set is capital T, another set is capital N. Okay, here are 2 sets, T and N. And now let's fill up. अब जहिले पनि हामीले fill up गर्दाखेरि Venn diagram fill up गर्दाखेरि start from the intersection part. What is the intersection? From there you have to start. Okay, so here it is 200. हाम्रो यसको intersection part भनेको 200 बाट start गर्नु पर्यो. So here it is 200. First fill up that. हामीले सुरुमै fill up गर्नुपर्ने भनेको intersection part. Okay, so clear? After filling this intersection part, you can give the name. You हामीले set notation पनि लेख्नु पर्छ है. This is also compulsory. You have to write n of t intersection n of t intersection n. This is the set notation, n of t intersection n. Okay, now if you just simply touch here, यसलाई simply touch गर्यो भने this is n of n. Only भनेको हामीले भित्र insert गर्यो भने मात्रै only हुन्छ, otherwise this is simply n of t. Okay, so now you know, है त. अब यसमा थाहा छ हामीले के गर्ने भनेर. We have already fill up here. हामीले यहाँ चाहिँ अब 200 fill up गरिसकेका छौं. n of t means, you can see n of t means 400. Total ma 400 ho. Out of 400, 200 is already here.
200 my answer is.
What we have to write here then?
200.
Okay, we have to write here 200. Eh? So minus गरेर लेख्ने हामीले 200 लेख्नु पर्यो. किन भन्दा total n of t भनेको 400 छ. Total 400. So you can see this total is t. This set t. यो एउटा complete circle भनेको t हो. त्यो t मा n of t मा 200 is here. Then another 200 should be here. यहाँ हुनु पर्यो. Okay. So this is actually only. This is n only t. So similarly here. Okay. 150. Very good. Okay, so here should be 150 because this is n only n. You भनेको चाहिँ n only n हो. Okay, so x we have supposed here this x would be outside these two circles. So that is n of t union n. N of t union n complement. Okay, n of t union n complement. Okay, so everybody turn on your video, okay? Rohit sir is coming. Rohit sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, may I continue or some information there?
No information. Actually, I wanted to see how many students are here. Almost neck to neck generation. As a 3-4 jana dekhine मैले. So will you please follow them? Sir, ले continue गर्दै गर्नुहुन्छ. And till then, I have an information. एउटा inform गरिहालौं. From tomorrow onwards, maybe within this week, we have 3 different programs. One local teen hero. Probably all of you joined in the morning. Have you sent Google form or not? Yes, right. Yes, so that is one. Okay, and another, we are going to introduce V-Star program also, maybe orientation. Okay, and one SQC. SQC को पनि अब नयाँ विद्यार्थी हुनुहुन्छ, orientation गर्नु पर्ला. And for that, I will ask Prasiddhi individually whether she is ready, or I should give orientation to everyone. Eh? Prasiddhi, are you there? Hello, hello, Prasiddhi. Okay. सुन्नु भएन उहाँले.
प्रसिद्धि त क्लासमै
अहिले क्लासमा हुनुहुन्छ. प्रसिद्धि आर यु देयर और मोबाइल अन गर्यो अनि हिँड्यो गाउँ घुम्न.
No, sir, I'm
Yeah.
here.
And why are you not responding? Okay. So are you ready with the slide for orientation, or shall I give this? Because I was trying to take you in a couple of classes for grade 7, for grade 8, and for this class 9. What do you say? You can write to me personally, okay, after this. So did you understand? We are going to introduce one program, B Star, within this week. Today is Sunday. And we also have to introduce SQC, Student Quality Circle. And then third program is you have to take part in YY Global Teen Heroes. When you know? When?
Tuesday.
This Tuesday
You
to onwards. आउने मङ्गलबार, आज आइतबार भयो, भोलि सोमबार, पर्सि मङ्गलबार 2 बजे पछाडि तपाईहरुको त्यो दिन क्लासहरु हुन्न। जस्तो एउटा सी म्याथ नहुने भयो, यहाँ अहिले देखे अनुसार एउटा सी म्याथ नहुने भयो, अर्को चाहिँ मङ्गलबार भनिसकेपछि इंग्लिश नहुने भयो। बुझ्नु भयो है? You simply can join into the program and then disappear from the program and have to write the reflection. Please send the reflection. So we are going to introduce these 3 programs. Global Teen Hero for the first time, and B Star is the continuation program, as we have mentioned in the calendar. हजुरहरुको पेरेन्ट्सहरुलाई पनि अस्ति देखाएको छौं हामीले कुन कुन प्रोग्राम गर्छौं भनेर. So this is the regular program. And SQC, Student Quality Circle, this year anyhow we have to make a complete circle this time. Okay, so we will be going in a very aggressive way. Aggressive way मा गएन भने चाहिँ एउटा सर्कल हामीले कम्प्लिट गर्न सक्दैनौं. We have to complete a complete case study, and that takes time. So we will be continuously doing that program. Okay, so we need your 100% participation. 36, 39 हाम्रो विद्यार्थीहरुमा हामी 2 जना भयौं. 37, sorry 34 अझै 5 जना विद्यार्थीहरु मैले देखिन. एकजना कुनसाङ नै होला सायद, टाढाबाट.
मेरो दुईटा भयो सर, एउटा आउनु भयो, 3 जना भयौं हामी. भने 43 भयो.
ओके. ए कुनसाङ त अलरेडी देयर, तर खोइ त बोलेको
Sir,
पनि
when's
सुन्दिनँ.
SQC orientation?
You can ask me personally ल, अहिले यहाँ डिस्टर्ब नगरौँ. Okay.
Hello, sir. Why were you? What?
No. I was asking whether you are here. अनि भिडियो अन गर्नुस्. सबै साथीहरुले भिडियो अन गर्नु भएको छ. भिडियो अन गर्नुस्. Okay. Sir, yeah. Can continue.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, so now let's continue this one. We were doing in Venn diagram. Okay, we have shown here in Venn diagram. So do you have any problem here in Venn diagram?
No, sir.
No problem. Up here, everything clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's continue. Okay. Up to I number we have completed. Now in the second I, how many people cannot speak any of 2 languages? How many people cannot speak any of 2 languages? Okay. So you may be given in question neither, nor, cannot be, didn't. यसको negative sentence छ भने that means that is complement है. थाहा पाइराख्ने. हामीलाई धेरै क्वेशनहरुमा कहीं neither, nor भने हुन सक्छ, कहीं did not भने हुन सक्छ, कुनैमा अब यसरी cannot भने हुन सक्छ. यसको negative sentenceहरु छ भने you need to know that one is complement. So here also how many people cannot speak any of 2 languages? Any of 2 languages means N of T union N. N of T union N complement equals to what? This we have already supposed. हामीले suppose त गरिसकेका छौं, तर यो सोधेको छ भने चाहिँ हामीले we have to write in this way. Okay, so by formula, now we are going to use here general formula. Okay, so now tell me what is the general formula? अब formula लेख्दाखेरि यसको formula भन्दा बुझायो हैन? We have to write the formula for N of U.
T union N.
Okay, Alok is saying, I think. Repeat again, Alok.
N T union N complement equals to N U minus N T union N.
Okay, that N of T union N complement plus N of T union N. Okay, you can tell me the general formula नै भन्ने है त यहाँ भएको सबै इन्क्लुड हुने गरेर भन्नु पर्यो. Can you tell me that one?
N of T plus N of N minus N T intersection N plus
very good,
T
very good.
union N complement.
Okay, absolutely correct. I think Sonim is saying very good. N of T plus N of N minus N of T intersection N plus N of T union N complement. Okay, this is the general formula. Okay, we'll use maximum number of time this formula here in sets. यस्तो खालको formula हामी बढी नै use गर्छौं. So NU means you can see here 600. Okay, now just put the values here. And that is N of U means 600. Then N of T means 400. Okay, and then N of N means 350. Then minus N of T intersection N means 200. Okay, and another one complement we have supposed here X. So you can write here X. So just find here 600 equals to, you can see here 400 minus 200, 200, and I think this is 550, is it? Okay, 550. You think the like calculate we'll get here 550. Okay, so now let's take this 550 on left hand side. So minus 550, this equals to X, or we got here 50. 50 equals to X. So what we found here, or we found here X equals to 50. Actually, that is N of complement or T union N complement. This equals to 50. T union N complement equals to 50. Okay, so you can write here the conclusion also. Okay, किनभने हामीसँग अझै यो बाहेक पनि अझै दुईटा क्वेशनहरु छन्. पछि एकैपल्ट conclusion लेख्दा धेरै हुन्छ. So you can write the conclusion here. छुटा-छुटै conclusion लेख्दाखेरि पनि हुन्छ. Hence, what you have to write? Hence 50 people cannot speak. Okay, 50 people cannot speak. So I'm going to focus on next board. You can see here 50 people cannot speak any of two languages. Any of two languages. Okay, so this II is also completed. Now let's see another one. हामीले II पनि complete गर्यौं. Okay, ल कसैलाई के confusion छ यसमा? Do you have any confusion? Okay, no confusion. Good. So now let's move to the another one, third question. In third question, how many people can speak Tamang language only? Tamang language only. What is the set notation? What is the ask?
N not T.
N not T. Very good. N not T. Okay. N not T equals to what? So you know the formula. यसको लागि त हामीलाई formula छँदैछ. By formula. Okay. What is the formula to calculate this one then? N only T or N not T equals to?
N T minus N T intersection N.
Very good, Alok. Okay, N of T minus N of T intersection N. Okay, this is correct. So now let's put the values here. N of T means 400. Okay, 400 minus N of T intersection N means 200. And so we found here 200. Okay, so we can write the conclusion. Now I'm going to write on the first board here. How many, what is asked here? How many people can speak Tamang language only? I'm writing here conclusion. Okay, that is also the important part. I'm conclusion lekhnu paryo to get the full marks in exam. So hence, how many people? 200. Hence 200 people can speak. Okay, can speak Tamang language only. Can speak Tamang language. Can speak Tamang language only. Okay, so this is also completed. Now last one is in IV. In IV, how many people can speak the Nepali language only? Means what is the set notation?
N not N.
N not N. Okay, N not N equals to what? Similar formula you can tell me. By formula N not of N equals to, what is the formula?
N bracket N minus N T intersection N.
Very good, Mana. Very good. This is absolutely correct formula. N of T intersection N. Okay. N of N minus N of T intersection N. That means N of N means, what is N of N? 350 minus intersection is 200. So we got here 150. Okay. So in this way, we got the answer for the number of people who can speak only Nepali language. Okay. So write the conclusion. Hence, 150 people can speak the Nepali language only. Can speak the Nepali language only. Okay. So hence 150 people can speak the Nepali language only. So in this way we have completed this one. Question number 7A. Okay. Question number 7A. Similarly, we can do other questions as well. We'll discuss. हामी यस पछाडिका क्वेशनहरु पनि डिस्कस गर्छौं because there are altogether 4 questions in 7 number. We have done here 1 question. Now B, C, D are also there. Okay. So we'll discuss after you rejoin. Okay. Rejoin गरेपछि discuss गरौँला किन भन्दा now time is going to be over. Our time, we have just less than 1 minute left. Okay. So you have to rejoin. सबैले rejoin गर्ने है. Rejoin गर्ने भनेको छ. So be careful and rejoin. And do you have any confusion here in this question? Any confusion in this solution?
No, sir.
Okay, that's good then. That's good. Okay. So that means you can do other questions as well. Okay, we'll discuss after rejoining.